All right. Hi, guys. My name is Mariah, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the nation's phenomenons, the cave state. All right. So let's start with our introduction. So Missouri is known as a cave state, having nearly 7,000 caves and is home to many national natural landmarks. In this presentation, I will be teaching more in depth about cave systems and their geographical formations, as well as some of the most well-known caves in Missouri. All right, for starters, some more information on caverns. Caves are large natural holes beneath the surface of the earth. They are complicated systems of underground passageways and have been recorded to stretch up to 400 miles long. Most caves are found in landscapes of limestone, dolomite, and gypsum because these rocks are easy for the water to dissolve within it. So, the largest and most common caves are those formed by chemical reactions between circulating groundwater and bedrock composed of limestone and dolomite. For the next one. Sorry, I think my face is kind of blocking it. So, with this basic information on caves, the next question is specifically on how are they formed. Due to the natural process of these caves forming, it can take anywhere from 10,000 to 100,000 years for them to completely form under the surface. Many processes can begin the formation of a cavern. Some include pressure, erosion from water, volcanoes, tectonic plate movements, chemical actions, and microorganisms. Solutional caves are the most common, and they are formed from rainfall and chemical processes. When the rain soaks the Earth's surface, carbon dioxide is released from dying plants. This reaction of carbon dioxide and water forms carbonic acid. Over time, carbonic acid eats away at rocks and dissolves them. Missouri is so sustainable to the formation of caves due to the large amount of dolomite and limestone, which are both easily dissolved carbonic acid. Some caves can also be formed from lava, erosion, and sea tides. Alrighty. So Missouri is home to some very large phenomenon of caves. The Marble Cave, which is known for being one of the largest caves in Missouri, having one of the largest cave entries, the Cathedral Room, of any cave in North America, and for being one of the longest running tourist attractions in Ozark. The Marble Cave is located in Branson West and is home to the theme park Silver Dollar City. So around 1500 AD, the Osage Indians were the first to discover Marble Cave. They heard strange noises coming from the depth of the ground, so the name the Devil's Den was given to the cave in 1541. Then in 1869, some explorers took fleet into the cave in search of priceless mineral deposits. Minerals were sent into the cave with not much luck. When returning, however, they were convinced that there would be marble found in the cave. The report founded the new name of the Marble Cave. This would later be changed due to the death of the lead explorer in 1927, and the fact that there was no marble actually mined from the cave. Now the cave has become a large attraction to Silver Dollar City as the Marble Cave. You can take either a 60-minute lighted tour during the day and then a 60-minute lantern tour in the evening. It's pretty cool. All right, so the next one. Another historical cave found in the Ozarks of Missouri is known as the Smallin Cave. It is another tourist attraction known as the Smallin War Cave. The Smallin Cave was the first documented cave in Missouri. It was written in great length in Henry Rowe Schoolcraft's journal in 1818. Schoolcraft was a significant explorer in the United States. The area of Ozark was a central location during the Civil War, so it's presumed that the cave was originally used for war purposes. Like the Marble Cave, the Smallin Cave was also home to Osage Indians, and even other tribes such as the Cherokee Indians. So the Smallin Cave is teeming with life. Much of it's unusual and endangered. So, like the Blind Cave salamanders and Bristly Cave crayfish live there, so some pretty weird ones. Studies even show that these endangered species have been held in this cave since 1898. The Smallin Cave War Cave, yeah, it's got a lot of names, holds so much history and expansions in life, making it well known in many publications. You can't see it all. All right, so in conclusion, one of the most geographical phenomenons makes up more area than we actually are aware of. Through many natural